guy? He is Nayantala, an aspiring content creator. He's been trying to create shit that nobody will watch for past 6 hours. And you know what? He has got no clue on what the heck the color sense is. Now I want you to watch these 3 clips and just observe. Now you tell me, what was the difference? What did each clips make you feel? And just so you know, all these 3 clips were shot at the same place. Yes, it was colors. Now that we are clear on why this color matters, what is color sense then? It is, my friend, your ability to know what colors to choose, what colors to combine, and how to control these colors in order to bring attention, emotion, and meaning to the visuals. A little disclaimer here, I am no expert in colors or color grading per se. This was my pure observation of relevance of colors after spending 4 months on watching highly graded footages.